Hello guys, so I want to explain a trade breakdown on BTC USD. So let's start. So on the 3 month time frame, we are on the 3 month time frame. So on the 3 month time frame, price was reacting from here, and we are expecting it to get back to this key level on the 3 month time frame. So 3 months rejecting 3 months. I head over to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I refine it to this QM here on the 3 month time frame. You can see this is where the reaction was actually coming from on the weekly time frame. You can see from this QM here on the weekly time frame, and this weekly time frame also have a fair value gap above it. It also has a fair value gap above it here. You can see the fair value gap here, and has a liquidity also closer to that key level. It also has a liquidity closer to that key level. So what do we do now? Um, and you can see price has broken out of this QM also on the weekly time frame. So we head over to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame also, you can also see that daily was also rejecting daily here. Daily also rejected daily here. You can see daily also rejected daily here on the daily time frame. So daily is also rejecting daily. We head over to 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, you can also see that 4 hour also rejecting 4 hour here also, and we have a sweep here. Look at the sweep. Price swept this low, and also price swept this liquidity too. Price swept this liquidity too. So what do we do? 4 hour rejecting 4 hour also. Head over to 1 hour time frame. Head over to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, we already have a breakout here. You can see price broke this structure here on 1 hour time frame. You can see the break of structure or the breakout or market structure shift, anything you call it, and give us our first pullback as liquidity. Here's the first pullback as liquidity. So I use this QM as my entry. Use this QM as my entry, and also on this 1 hour time frame, price has also broken out of this trend line liquidity. You can see price broke out of this trend line. You can see the trend line here. Price broke out of this trend line here. Price broke out of this trend line here. You can see here is the trend line liquidity. And what happened? Anytime price broke out of trend line liquidity, it's going to come back to retest it and take out all the liquidity above the trend line. So I head over to the 30-minute time frame, and my target was actually this apex here on the 30-minute time frame. So I entered, my first entry was here. I entered from here, this QM here, this QM, and targets that liquidity, trend line liquidity, and my SL was below here. I think 10 out.